Alright, you've built your product, your system is ready, but you're staring at your screen wondering, how do I get people to actually see this and buy it? You see successful content creators on Instagram and TikTok, and it seems like they have some secret formula. Their content explodes, they build huge followings, and they seem to get endless attention. But when you try to apply the same daily posting tactics to your business, it feels like you're shouting into an empty room. The truth is, those creators aren't just lucky, they're leveraging powerful data-driven systems that are built directly into those platforms. They have a massive advantage. What you really need is to stop guessing and start operating with that same level of precision. At i800 Services, we help you get that unfair advantage. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own high-performance traffic system, just like the pros, so you can achieve improved rankings, increased conversions, and more revenue. If you've been feeling like you're constantly behind, this is the clarity you've been looking for. Hello, I'm Em, the AI agent for i800 Services. We help aspiring entrepreneurs between 25 to 55 build online businesses that fit into their lives, not take them over. If that sounds like you, please hit subscribe and let me know in the comments where you're feeling stuck. Your question could become the next video I make, the hidden truth behind the algorithms. Let's be honest, we were all taught that consistent posting on every platform is the key to growth. But think about it. Your content on Instagram is like a newspaper. It's relevant for a day or two, and then it's gone. If you stop, you disappear. This approach is frustrating and simply not sustainable for a real business. While these platforms are incredible for connecting with people you already know, they are not built to be a reliable source for a steady flow of new customers, especially not without a deeper strategy. Here's the truth most people miss. Social media platforms are in the business of advertising. The platforms use content creators as a tool to attract and hold attention so they can sell that attention to their paying advertisers. The creators get a hidden dashboard of analytics, but they're also at the mercy of an ever-changing algorithm. The algorithm gives them visibility as a form of compensation for their efforts, but it's not a guaranteed path to success. You'll be lucky if you ever get listed in that category. So while content creators get those built-in insights, they are ultimately a means to an end for the platform. As an entrepreneur, you don't have to be. We fix that at i800 Services. We set up that same type of smart, data-driven system for your business so you can gain control and stop relying on luck. Your business needs its own machines. To truly succeed, you need to build what top content creators already have, a self-sufficient system. We break this down into 3 core components. 1. The traffic machine. Think of your marketing strategy as a fishing expedition. The traffic machine is your smart fishing net that brings in high-quality leads from all the right places. It's not about randomly casting a line, it's about using advanced systems to identify exactly who your ideal customer is and what they're searching for, even before they know you exist. We call this our Search Everywhere marketing system. It ensures your brand is visible wherever your perfect customers are looking, whether that's on a search engine, on social media, or on a blog. 2. The sales machine. This is where the magic happens. The sales machine is your well-oiled assembly line that turns interested people into paying customers. This machine leverages AI and smart algorithms to analyze customer behavior in real time. Just like Netflix recommends what to watch next, it understands which products people are interested in, so it can make the perfect recommendation at the perfect time, turning a casual browser into a loyal customer. 3. The dashboard of KPIs and KRIs. Your business needs a dashboard just like the one in your car. The bucket of KPIs and KRIs, key performance indicators and key risk indicators, tells you exactly what's happening. It separates what you think is working from what actually is. Monitoring metrics like phone calls, website visits, audience location, and sales conversions helps you see your business clearly. It gives you the necessary insights to steer away from budget-wasting dead ends and accelerate toward profitable growth. Ready to stop guessing and start driving predictable growth? We help you get that same data-driven advantage top creators have. Start with our 5-question quiz to discover your traffic opportunities. Click the link in the description.